Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. All dried out, ready to go. Let's put this thing right up there and get it on. Flat washers just keep it from digging into the plywood. Otherwise the nut will just sink down into the plywood and chew a hole. There. A little bit of oil makes all the difference in that. Actually makes it operate pretty quickly. And this is a nice feature. You can quickly move this back and forth just by tilting it and then popping it down in. So that's quite nice. I have noticed that oh, look at this. Tighten it right up. I just was spinning it with the thing locked down, seeing if it would tighten up and take care of it. And what I was doing was actually backing off that nut by twisting the body of the vise. I don't want to do. Like I said, this is a light duty vise. It's not meant for tightening up pipes.
This Panavise is going to come in really handy. There's a lot of jobs that I can see this helping me on. The next video is going to be about fixing a clamp, because Scout Crafter asked about that. Can we do that? I think so. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.